again. Welcome to today's attempt at the Nerdle puzzle. This is maths Wordle, basically. The idea is to guess the correct mathematical equation. We're going to start with the same sum as always, because it gives me a bunch of different digits and things. And not for the first time, it gives me a bunch of reds, which means they appear in the sum, but in a different position. But we have got the equals in the right place for the first time in a while, it feels like. So it's definitely a two-digit answer. That definitely helps. It's not going to be a long division. I suppose it could be 3 digits divided by 1 digit equals 2 digits. That could be tricky. I'm definitely going to start by hoping that it's just a simple addition. We'll try 30 something plus 60 something, because we know we have to use the 3 and the 9, so we'll use them in that manner. Let's test the 2 and the 4, because again we'll try a 4 because we haven't tried one yet. Oh, it's not a plus, it's going to be long division. I mean, theoretically, it still could be 2 times 4 times 3 or something similar to that. I don't know how we would get the 9 involved if that was the sum. It could just be some multiplication, but I'm definitely very concerned it's going to be long division. Something divided by 9. 432. No, that can't work because that would give the answer of 48 and we can't use the 8. Oh dear, I want it to be an anagram of 3, 2 and 4 because we know we have to use those digits, but the trouble is I think whatever we do out of those digits is not going to work. 243 divided by 9 would give 27, we can't use the 7. 234 would give 26. Oh, it's not going to work, we're going to have to do something a bit more complicated. How are we going to do this? I mean, it could be 100 and something. 144 is divisible by 9, but doesn't use the 2 and the 3. What about other? If we have try to work out what the 2-digit answer is. If it's 32, that's 278, so that's not going to work. What about 34? That would be 306, which doesn't work. What about if it's 42? That gives 378, which doesn't work. So basically, if I'm right about it being divided by 9, then we're going to have to use a different digit. We can't use 2, 3 and 4 in either the answer or the dividend or whatever it's called, which makes it a bit more difficult because we have to try and work out combinations with the 1 and the 0. What is a sensible thing to guess? 2, 4. I mean, if it's going to use, it's not going to work, is it? If it's going to be divisible by 9, because 2, 3, 4 already adds up to 9. So what I'm saying is, if we use 2 digits out of 2, 3, 4, then the 3rd digit would have to be in that same set, and we've already ruled out all of those possibilities. So that's why I don't think it can be something divided by 9. What else? Can it be multiplication? 2 times 9 is 18. How about 4 times 9? That's 36. We can divide it by 3 to get 12, and we haven't used the 2, but we would be doing it in the answer. This is a plausible answer. It's right! Wow! I mean, I'm still convinced that there must be something that worked with just division, but I really couldn't think of anything. So, well done if you managed to think of an alternative answer that would have worked. And you're very unlucky, because the one that I eventually thought of was the correct one. That was tricky. Very happy to get there in only 3 guesses. And at least it didn't take me too long, but this is my longest Nerdle video for a while. So well done if you stuck with me, or thank you if you stuck with me, and well done if you solved it faster. That is Nerdle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.